back in your own backyard. You'll see your castle in Spain through your window pane, back in your own backyard. Now you can go to the east, go to the west, someday you'll come, worry at heart back where you started from. You'll find your happiness lies right under your eyes, back in your own backyard.
I wanna say hello, I wanna see you smile, I wanna hold you in my arms again. I wanna do those little things we used to do before. Maybe I can't live without you anymore. I won't be satisfied till you're by my side. I want you in that moment when we say hello, and I'll see you smile and hold you in my arms again.
Rock-a-bye, my baby, with a Dixie melody.
Oh, he's a Dixie boy.
When you croon a tune from the heart of Dixie, just hang that cradle, ma'am, in mind upon that Mason-Dixon line, and swing it from Virginia to Tennessee with all the love within ya. Weep no more. Wait a minute, I lost the key. What's the matter with me? What happened?
You're standing on my foot.
See them shuffling along, hear that music and song. Go get your real gal, your real pal. Go down to the levee. I said the levee. Join that shoveling throng. Hear that music and song. It's simply great, mate. Waiting on a levee, waiting for the Robert E. Lee. All right, mate. Waiting on a levee.